best VPN application you can use today. I'm showing guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Down here you have some connection modes if you want a fast server, if you want a stable server, or if you just select the auto option for it to select for you. However, you can tap on the free server option here to pretty much see all the free servers that you'll be able to use. As you can see, you can scroll down or you can go at the top to search for the server that you want. But I recommend scrolling down because there's not much server for you to use. Most likely, most of these servers are in the United States. So over here you have the VIP section as well. Pretty much you will see the VIP. It's saying VIP beside of the servers. You will need a subscription to use these servers. They do have servers for streaming websites like Netflix, Hulu, and all of those websites, but you pretty much will need a subscription to use those servers as well. So to connect this VPN is very simple. Just go ahead and select whichever server you want to use. I do recommend selecting the free server option, and if you want a fast server, you can select it at the bottom there. Tap on connection. We'll ask connection request. Let's tap on OK. We'll start connecting in no time. So once connected, you're pretty much good to go. Scans here, it's connected, and I'm pretty much good to go. So at the top here, Macy Go Premium is where you pretty much get your subscription, and it scans here the prices and everything. Down here, I'm on the subscription price and everything. Do get a 7 days free trial, which you can test out their feature and pretty much all of their pro servers and so forth. So you can give me a feedback on the premium subscription that they have. So over here, nothing much and just some restore purchase and other stuff. But do make sure you log in before purchasing their subscription. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this VPN. If I miss anything at all, another thing, you have a private browser, but you will need a subscription to use that feature. It does work. It's similar to Chrome and all of those applications that do offer VPNs with browser and so forth. But very, very good. But anyways, if I miss anything at all, please comment below. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.